All right, gonna do a little review and demo of the Scratch and Swirl Remover at my daughter's car on this scratch right here. Here we go. Well, I'm not gonna say it took it all the way away, but it is so much better. You can barely see it. It's very faint. I'm gonna try it on metal because this bumper is plastic. Let's see how it does. I'm going to try right here, a couple little scratches. It's really easy to do. No harsh smell to it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Real-time review here in action. Excuse me, in the back of the camera. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. If you are looking to get those scratches out of your car, I highly recommend this Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. Really impressed with this stuff. I highly recommend it.